Hi guys, welcome. Today I want to talk about on how to create a slab with Revit on a Revit software. So remember what we are using here is Revit 2024. You might see different way in other Revit, maybe that of 20 lower version or higher version. So please, if you like the video that I'm creating, please do well to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time of coming here, like my videos and subscribe. So let me show you guys on how to create slab here. So first of all, we want to create a DPC slab here. This is going to be a duplex. It's going to be a duplex. Let me open the site. Let me open this the plan. It's going to be a duplex. Look at it. So we have all this right here. Staircase is going to be here. So I want to create the DPC slab and the first floor slab. So from the look of things, you see that we don't have any slab on our DPC, and we don't have any slab on our first floor. So let's go to our slab here. So we'll be creating our slab at this point. Sorry, on our hardcore. We'll be creating our slab at this point. So how do we do that? We come here at architecture. You will see a floor. Click on the floor. Come to edit type. See, when you go to edit type, you have different. Okay, here you go to edit. You click on edit. Here is where you're going to choose the thickness of your DPC, which is normal 150, 0.15 meter. The 150 is for millimeter, remember. So on this material is where you're going to choose the material you want to use. But currently, let's just select any random stuff that let's look for a better one. Okay, let's look for wood flooring. Let's just select this. That doesn't mean that we're going to use it, but because we have some other option like tiles or maybe bricks or something. So for now, let's go with this wood flooring. Click on OK. Click on OK. The next, we have selected the thickness. We click on OK. Whatness, OK. So now we'll be picking the point at which we want our floor to cover. Like click on line. Come to this point. Remember, click on line. So we can be selecting points like from this point to this point. So we have to select all the edges where we want our floor to cover. Select all the points where we want our floor to cover. So now, so remember you have to join every meeting point. All the edges have to be joined. So you click on good. So let's go back to 3D. So number 3D, you see we have our slab, but it's hidden. It's hidden in our it's hidden. So all you have to do is have to increase it for it to cover the slab. So come to this point, we have to select the slab, click on the slab, select it. See where we have it, the level is on hardcore, but we have to put it on 150. What's the thickness of it? We have 150. Just put 150 here. Click on apply. So you see, it's perfect. We have our DPC slab to be covered. Like look at it, look at the way it is. So now we want to create the same thing for our first floor. Want to create the same thing for our first floor. All we have to do is come to our first floor slab. Not this one. Come to our first floor slab, this one. Double click on it. So I want to be wiping out all this. I want to be wiping out all this. Let's go on our slab height. Our height. So okay here. The reason why we want to create it, we're supposed to create it on our first floor slab, but the reason why we are creating it here because this building, the block is not showing there. So there we cannot be able to pick the points. So the next level, let me open the elevation. Let me show you guys what I mean. Let me just open the south elevation. You see that we have different levels here. So we have this level to be the height. Then the next level is on our first floor. So on our first floor slab, where we're supposed to create the DPC, the first floor slab, is not showing, these walls are not showing, so we will not be able to pick the edges. So we have to create it on our wall height. So remember, we open our wall height. Here we'll be creating the floor. So we have to go back to our architecture and floor. Click on floor. So here we just click on line because we have edit what we need. If we go to this edit, we see that the thickness is still 150. The thickness is still 150 and the material is still wood flooring. It's because it's the same slab that we are using. Click on OK. So now we are with line. You have to pick every point. Click every point. So at this point, the other one we didn't include our pillar, but here is our first floor. We have to include our pillar. Okay, let's say we do it to be this like this. Okay. Sorry, I want to Control Z, extend it to this point. Take this one. Click every edges. Make sure that every line is joined, because if it is not joined, it will not be able to pass. All you have to do is click on good. Okay, now we have this. Let's go on 3D. You see, on our 3D, we are able to achieve this. So look at the way our slab, our first floor slab, is penetrating through our block, which is not normal. All we have to do is to take it to up to our first floor slab. It will be okay, or we add. Let's select it. Is either we add the thickness of our slab, which is adding 150 at this point. When you add 150 at this point, now is okay. Understand? Or you can easily do it this way. Sorry, it's asking me to save. So you can easily highlight it, come to this level, click on it, then you now choose first floor slab. Click on first floor slab, click on apply. See, it's now okay. So we're supposed to create it at the first floor slab, but because of we are not seeing our block edges at that point, so all you have to do is to create it at the height, on our ground floor height. Then we now take it to our first floor the way we want it. So that is all for now. Thank you. Please do well to subscribe to this video. I will appreciate that. And watch out for more videos. Thank you.